Security defense tips from the dark of internet. In today's digital age, the internet has become an essential part of our lives. It has transformed the way we communicate, work, and live. However, the internet also has a dark side, which can pose a significant threat to our security and privacy. We will explore the dark side of the internet and provide tips on how to defend ourselves against potential threats. The dark side of the internet refers to the various threats that exist in the digital world. Some of the most common threats include malware. Malware refers to any software that is designed to harm your computer or steal your data. Malware can be spread through email attachments, infected websites, or software downloads. Phishing. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where the attacker sends a fake email or message, trying to trick the recipient into giving them sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, or personal information. Identity theft. Identity theft is a type of cybercrime where someone steals your personal information and uses it for financial gain. This can include stealing your credit card information, social security number, or other personal details. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the use of technology to harass, intimidate, or threaten someone. It can occur through social media, messaging apps, or online forums. Hacking. Hacking is when someone gains unauthorized access to a computer or network. This can be used to steal data, install malware, or cause damage to the system. The internet has become an indispensable part of our lives, bringing many benefits and advancements in various aspects. However, like any other technology, the internet also reflects the dark side of humanity. Here are some ways in which the internet reflects the dark side of humanity. Cybercrime. The internet has provided new opportunities for criminals to carry out their activities. Cybercrime such as identity theft, financial crimes, online scams, website hacking, and malware attacks are becoming increasingly common with the advent of the internet. This can harm individuals, companies, and even countries. Online bullying. The internet has also become a potential site for bullying or cyberbullying. The anonymity offered by the internet can allow someone to engage in such behavior without being held accountable for their actions. This can have a negative impact on the mental and emotional health of the victim. Digital dependence. The internet can also reflect the dark side of humanity by making people overly dependent on technology. Digital dependence can affect a person's mental and physical health, and can disrupt real human social relationships and interactions. Spread of false information or hoaxes. The internet allows anyone to share information in large quantities quickly. However, this also allows for the spread of false information or hoaxes easily, which can negatively affect people's views and decisions. Pornography and violence. The internet has also become a significant source of pornography and violent content. This can affect the mental and emotional development of children and teenagers who are exposed to such content. Overall, the internet reflects the dark side of humanity by enabling cybercrime, online bullying, digital dependence, the spread of false information, and harmful content. Therefore, it is essential for us to use the internet wisely and responsibly. Security defense tips. Now that we understand the dark side of the internet, let's explore some tips on how to defend ourselves against potential threats. Use strong passwords. A strong password is the first line of defense against potential cyber attacks. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Keep software up to date. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure that you have the latest security patches. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can help protect your online privacy and security by encrypting your internet traffic. Be cautious of suspicious emails. Don't click on any links or download attachments from suspicious emails or messages. Use antivirus software. Install antivirus software